a very special day kasi groundbreaking to ng new house namin. Our first ever house na gagawin from the scratch.
With hard work, achieving your dream home is possible. Take inspiration from these celebs who are turning their dream homes into reality. Actress Katrine Bernardo always wanted to build a home for her family, and she's finally making it happen. On her YouTube channel, Katrine revealed that the construction of her house is underway. The 25-year-old purchased the expansive lot back in 2016.
When you look around here, it's on a hill. So the main idea for the house is we wanted to maximize the views. And with that, we wanted the form of the house to actually show that certain action.
In case you missed it, Chris Bernal is officially married. Chris and her partner Perry Choi tied the knot last September 2021, and they're currently building their future home. In one of her vlogs, Chris gave updates on the construction of the house. A self-proclaimed mama's girl, she also shared that her mother is a part of the planning team. How sweet!
Ito na nga. Bakit pa natin pag-uusapan yung house planning? Kasi, ito na nga, ang sabi sa akin ni Perry, nung pumunta daw siya sa'yo para humingi ng blessing mo or pamamanhikan ba tawag doon? May ni-request ka daw. Ano yun?
Sabi ko, kasama ako sa pagplano ng bahay niya.
Happy Islanders, Andy Eigenman and filmer Alipayo gave fans a glimpse of their dream home on the beautiful island of Siargao. In one of her vlogs, Andy also shared that they're planning to turn a part of their home into a relaxing bed and breakfast.
So that's it for our house update so far because nagbe-build pa kami kaya hindi kami pwede mag-tour, and also magiging B&B nga siya eventually, pero sa ngayon titiran muna namin siya, so private residence muna siya ngayon.
Camille Pratt's dream home is almost complete. In her recent vlog, she happily shared that the 5-story house is at its finishing stages. The actress hopes to move in just in time for the holiday season. Team Kramer is back to entertain us with a new home tour. On Instagram, Dog Kramer gives sneak peeks of the construction of their newly renovated home away from home. What do you think of these celebs' dream homes? Share your thoughts in the comment section below.